bus set. And we are going to be doing a little show and a little special effect with this effect. So if you would like to see it, head on over now and gather in front of a bright purple bus. It's really hard to miss, so do make your way on over now. But hello to those of you that have joined me already. My name is Juin. I'm really excited to be able to take you through my bus today. Now, looking back on the creation of
those three little turrets sort of flying one off the other. That became the foundation for Dumbledore's office exterior. So in influence became these three
just a second. So I do recommend getting your cameras out and setting them to record. Looking at the night bus here, it's going to last for about 2 minutes, so do make sure you keep your eyes focused on it, and I'll be giving you some fun. Back of the bus off, drive it underneath the bridge and attach it on the other side so it can then move on to its next destination. And then we have it, we've reached our destination, so thank you very much for listening.
Huge fire storm. You see the incredible best thing to do to actually get this fire character under control is fire to deploy those things. I don't really appreciate it's unbelievable things that
Moi, l'adresse, je l'ai pas. Wave your hand to chop the carrots. Et ça, avec les carottes, tu touches les carottes sur le
easier than filming on location. So from the Chamber of Secrets onwards, they made their own version of the Defense Against the Dark Arts classroom under the guidance of production designer Stuart Craig. Stuart Craig wanted to create a classroom that looked completely different from the rest of the classrooms we had already seen in the Harry Potter films, such as the Dingy Potions dungeon and the Grandstone Transfiguration classroom. Whilst we actually brought back the original team that made the set for the movies. From the plasterers, the set decorators, the set painters, everyone involved came back to make this set as painstakingly accurate as possible. So much so that they even went through 8,000 working drawings to make sure that every door, every window, and every single panel was just like it was for the movie. They even managed to source some of the original components of the set, such as the stairs and pulpit that lead up to the teacher's office, and also... Thank you. Okay, so we're going to hear some of the dialogue from the scene with Professor Lupin talk. So when he said ridiculous, I mean you all repeat ridiculous nice and loud. And at the end, we're going to count down and we're going to say ridiculous one more time to manage the body. Right? So is everyone ready? Yeah, okay, let's do this. Perfect.
Are you confident? Isn't there any security?
There's proper sweets in there. There's proper sweets in there.
Well, I don't want him to pick us up at 2:30.
There might be 20 minutes left. Back up might be.
Oh my god. Look how cool this is.
Yes, Giovanni.
Can I tempt you, Marge? Just a small, excellent nostril.
Is this part of your lunch?
Yeah.
Just a fry up for me.
That's probably 2,000 times that you heard that.
So, how long is the backlog for?
It's not like, it depends on you and how quickly you go through it. It's just, if you go quickly, you
That's the thing,
All right.
right? It's 2:30.
I'm gonna say pick up at 3.
Monday, in the Monday war, his mistress